A foundation made just for you? Sounds like a dream, but does it actually work? Today on Glowenvy, I'm testing a custom foundation app to see if it's worth the hype or just another beauty gimmick. Let's find out. Finding the perfect foundation is a universal struggle. We've all been there, standing in front of a wall of countless shades, hoping to find the one that magically disappears into our skin. Too often, we're left with a drawer full of mismatched foundations, a testament to our ongoing quest for that elusive perfect shade. The rise of personalized beauty has brought a glimmer of hope to this age-old dilemma. Brands like Matchco are using technology to create bespoke foundation experiences, promising a flawless match tailored to our unique skin tone. But can an app really deliver on this promise? As someone who's tried my fair share of foundations, I was both intrigued and skeptical. Could this be the holy grail of foundation matching or just another beauty gimmick? Intrigued, I decided to put Matchco to the test. Matchco's premise is simple yet ambitious: to create a foundation that's uniquely blended for your skin tone, using your smartphone's camera as a scanning tool. The process is surprisingly straightforward. You download the app, create a profile, and follow the guided instructions to scan your skin in natural light. The app claims to analyze over 37,000 skin tones, taking into account factors like undertones and depth to create a precise match. This level of personalization is certainly appealing, as it addresses the limitations of traditional foundation selection methods. The price point at $49 is a bit higher than your average drugstore foundation, but on par with mid-range brands. However, the promise of a perfect match and a custom blended formula is a tempting proposition. With a healthy dose of skepticism and a flicker of hope, I embarked on the Matchco journey. The scanning process itself was surprisingly engaging. The app guided me through a series of steps, prompting me to scan different areas of my face in natural light. I felt a bit like I was part of a futuristic beauty experiment, holding my phone at different angles and following the on-screen instructions. There were moments of amusement, like when the app instructed me to smile naturally, making me self-conscious about how unnatural my forced smile probably looked. Overall, the process was quick, easy, and surprisingly enjoyable. A few weeks later, my custom blended Matchco foundation arrived. The packaging was sleek and minimalist, with my name printed on the bottle, adding a personalized touch. The foundation itself had a lightweight, serum-like texture that felt luxurious on the skin. The color, at first glance, seemed promising, a very close match to my skin tone. It was time for the real test to see how this custom creation performed on my skin.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.